Day 3, Bushes versus William. Day 4, Bushes versus me. And I'm not sure I'm ready. But there's no backing down now. Let's do this! Today we are back on the driveway, cutting back bushes and tackling those thorny overgrowths, and getting everything cleaned up and looking neat and fresh. Let's get into it.
After taking all the tools out of the wheelbarrow and getting everything ready for the day, I'm moving along the driveway, picking up all the grass and debris along the way. And in the background you can see Yento trimming down those thorny little bushes. Careful not to get poked, because as you guys already know, today is a full-on fight with the bushes for Yento.
We were hard at work today, jumping into a big section filled with trimming, pulling out bushes, and cleaning a lot of overgrowth, grass, and debris. There was a lot of work ahead of us, and the trimming just didn't stop there. It was intense, but we kept going, doing everything we could to make sure the space was neat and tidy again.
As you can see, Yento was asking me for the rake so she could gather all the thorny bushes, twigs and debris she had cut off, keeping the area around the bushes she already trimmed looking neat and tidy. Meanwhile, I'm still busy on my side, using the shovel to pull up all the grass and clearing out the remaining debris.
As you can see here, this is the section that is waiting for us to tackle next. Moving forward is a big area. This is what we worked on today and still continuing to work through. We are moving slowly but surely. Actually, faster than we expected. But there is still a lot of trimming to do and plenty of grass and debris to clear out from the paving.
While I'm busy clearing out all the debris and overgrown grass along the paving, we are working our way towards the shade to get a break from the heat. It was a hot, tough day, and definitely more work than we expected, but we kept energies up and pushed through the day, step by step, until the job was done.
While we were taking a short break, William started to tell me a funny story about his past work and some of the things he experienced, especially something that happened with an energy drink, which was pretty hilarious. We both ended up laughing and joking around for a bit and just enjoying the moment before getting back to work. After the break, we jumped right back into and continued with the same energy, pushing through to get everything done. We will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you enjoyed it so far. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. It really helps us. We will be back at the garden soon. We will bring you more videos your way again. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you soon.